Hello, welcome to the Math 1401 Elementary Statistics class. So section 1, course registration number 20139 for the semester fall 2022. So I will post the explanation of the syllabus here and then in the Georgia view. Okay. My name is Budi Pyantha. My email address is bpantha@abac.edu. This is my primary email. Please, if you have any question, email me on this email address. Okay, do not email through the Georgia View. So I don't check Georgia View email much. So please email here. And my office is at Brit 215. This should be 215. Okay, I recently changed my office. Brit 215. My phone number, office phone number is 229-391-5272. The class day, hour, and place for this class is Tuesday, Thursday, 12:30 to 1:45 p.m. at Conger Hall 315, room number 315. And my office hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10:50 a.m. to 1 p.m. and Tuesday, Thursday, 10:45 to 12:30 p.m. Okay, online or face-to-face or by appointment. Because of the coronavirus, I prefer online appointment, online office hours, where you can join the office hour by clicking this link. Okay. Or if you want to come to my office for a face-to-face meeting, you should wear the mask. Okay. The textbook for this class is a brief version, Elementary Statistics, a step-by-step approach, 8th edition, by Alan G. Blumen. Okay, so actually you don't need to buy the book. You will have to create an account in Connect Math to do all the homework and quizzes. Okay. And that Connect Math account will have electronic version of the book, so you don't need to buy the book separately. Okay, so you need to create an account by clicking www.connectmath.com. If you click this link, it will take you to the Connect Math account. Okay, so for example, if I click this, let's see what happens. Okay, it says leave the website and then take you there. Okay, and then you see that sign up now. Okay, that's what you click here, and then it asks the class code. So what do you need to enter for the class code? Is you see that, and then click sign up now. So once you click that, you need to click sign up now as soon as possible. So please create an account as soon as possible. After you click the sign up now, there is a course code for this class. It will ask the course code. For this class, the course code is VVNHD and 4NRAV. That's the course code you will enter. And then after that, there are a couple of steps you will have to complete. Okay, you will be asked with your name, email address, and so on. And then you will be immediately able to see all the homework problems there. Okay, all right. The account includes an online copy of the book. Hard copy is not required. Homework, test. The test will be face-to-face in-class test. So you don't see the test. You will see the quizzes there. So homework and quizzes will be seen there. Okay, guys. Calculator, a graphing calculator is required for this course. The math department highly recommends and provides support for TI-84 series models. If you are buying a new calculator, I recommend to buy TI-84 Plus CE. If you have TI-83 model already, that is also fine, but if you have to buy one, please buy TI-84 Plus CE. It has so many other functionality that can do so many things very, very quickly. Okay, use of cell phones as a calculator is forbidden in this course. During the exam and the final, you are not allowed to share calculator with your classmates. The general description and prerequisite. This course is an introduction to basic descriptive and inferential statistics. It covers measure of central tendency like finding mean, median, mode, and variability like standard deviation, variance, quartiles like that. Position is median, quartiles, all those. Statistical graph and diagrams, confidence interval, hypothesis testing, application involving binomial, normal, t, chi-square, and f distributions, and correlation and regression analysis. The emphasis is on application rather than on mathematical theory. Both calculator and computer techniques will be stressed. The credit hours for this course is 3 credit hours. Students enrolled in this class must have C or better in Math 1001, Math 1101, or Math 1111. So these are the course learning outcomes, meaning that after you complete this course, you will be able to do all these things. Given a data set, choose an appropriate graphing tool or tools to display the data, eliminate outliers from the data, and use appropriate measures of central tendency and variation to describe the data. Given a data set, create and classify distributions including normal, positively and negatively skewed. Given a two-variable quantitative data set, analyze the data set by identifying the limitation of the data set, generating a scatter plot, using appropriate technology, finding correlation coefficient using calculator, appropriate software, interpreting the correlation coefficient, finding the least square equation using a calculator or appropriate software, and using the least square regression equation to make predictions. So you will see in chapter 10 that like y equals to mx plus b, we'll be using the meaning of slope here in the linear equation. We call linear regression, and that slope is considered as a regression coefficient. You will see that in chapter 10. Okay? And given a data set or summary statistic, conduct appropriate hypothesis testing, constructing and interpreting confidence interval, constructing and interpreting significance testing, and choosing and interpreting p-values. Given a statistical question, develop a hypothesis, create a sampling design, take a sample, analyze the resulting data, and conduct a hypothesis test. So these are the materials that will be covered in asked in homework and in the test, okay, and quiz and test. So these are the policies for teaching, homework, and quizzes and exam policies. Lecture notes or worksheets for each chapter will be posted in Georgia View. Okay, you will see that. Because if I click the Georgia View, you can see the lecture notes. Let me enter my email, my ID and password. Okay. All right. So you will see the lecture notes here. Let us see that. So elementary statistics, section 1. When I go to the content, you see the lecture notes here. If you click the lecture notes, then you see the chapter 1 and 2 lecture notes, chapter 3 lecture note, like that. Once we are done with chapter 1, 2, and 3, there will be a test. And after test, I will post lecture note for chapter 4 and 5, and so on. Okay? So the lecture notes, it includes all teaching material, including the links for YouTube video. If you look at this, for example, let's say chapter 1 and 2 lecture notes, you see that watch a video here. If you click this, it will take you to the YouTube link where I have explained all these things there. Okay? And click another link, you will see all those things described in the YouTube video. All right? So you will have a complete material provided in the Georgia View. All right? So YouTube videos, you can find the link in each chapter section of lecture notes. You can watch the video by clicking the corresponding links in the lecture notes or worksheets. All homework. And by the way, so you should print these lecture notes, okay? You should be printing the lecture notes, and then in the class, I will go over the lecture notes, and then you see that there are some blank spaces that you will be you will be filling the blank spaces. Okay, you will be making the notes. So you see that there are a lot of problems that I asked you guys to do. Some of the problems I have done for you, and you can see all those problems, how I did it, explained in the video as well. Okay, so we'll go over that in the class, and you will do the online homework and the quizzes. Alright, all homework and quizzes are in Connect Math website. It is your responsibility to find the due date of the homework and quizzes and complete them before the deadline. You see that when I go to the Connect Math, you will see all the list of these homework. Okay, these are the list of the homework in the Connect Math for this section. Okay, and then you see the due date. So the first homework 2.1 is August 25, due on August 25. So chapter 2 homework and the quiz from quiz 1 are due on August 25. Okay, and then chapter 3 homework and the quiz 2 are due on September 8. And on September 8 there is a practice problem, and then there will be a test, in-class test. These are the test practice problem, and there will be in-class test on that week. Okay, you can see the in the calendar you will see when is the test one, and so on. Okay, so all the homework and quizzes are in Connect Math website. That's the homework and quizzes. It is your responsibility to find out due date for the homework and quizzes and complete them before deadline. Late homework will not be accepted, as the homework site will be deactivated after the due date. The due dates for the quizzes and tests are also available in course calendar. You will see that in the course calendar. You see under the content, and you see the course syllabus and course calendar. If you go to the course calendar here, you see that when is the quiz 1, when is the quiz 2, test 1, all those things. Okay, you can see all those things there. Alright, so available on the course calendar posted in Georgia View. The test will be in class. Practice problem for each test will be posted in Georgia View. Okay, all the practice problem, you see that. Oh, by the way, so I posted the practice problem in the Connect Math here. Okay, so if you need more practice problem, I can post in the Georgia View too. But if you practice these practice problem, you will be perfectly fine. Okay, I strongly recommend you to go through the practice problem. These problems are good practice for the test. All online homework and quizzes must be done by yourself. Okay, use of outside sources such as any tutors, internet applications, solution manual, etc. are prohibited. If found copying or getting help from other sources, your grade for the quiz or homework will be automatically 0. Attendance will be taken at each class. If you are going to miss a day, please let me know before the class starts. A record of your attendance will be kept and sent to the registrar office with your final grade. No makeup exams will be given except some emergencies. You must provide official documents like doctor excuse or authorization from vice president, etc. or dean's office that show the reason you have missed the exam. No cell phones used in the class. You must set your cell phone in silent mode while you are in the class. There is a free tutoring center in the 3rd floor of library where you can get help for the homework or if you do not understand something, or you can also come to my office or join the online meeting if you need any help. Okay, these are the grade distribution. Homework is 15% of the total grade. Quiz is 15% of the total grade. Test is 50% total. There are 4 tests, 12.5% each, and final exam is 20% of the total grade. Okay, the test dates and the detailed course calendar is posted in Georgia View course website. The final comprehensive exam date is on December 8, 2022 between 12:30 and 2:30 p.m. The final exam will cover all materials throughout the semester, so from beginning to the end. These are the grade distribution. 90 between 90 and 100, including 90 and 100 is A, 80 to 89 is B, 70 to 79 is C, and so on. Okay, important dates: class begin on August 15. Last day to add, change grading options or drop without W grade is August 22. So you'll have 1 week period to change the section or drop from the class without any penalty. You will get the money back. But if you drop after this date, you don't get the money back, and then you will have a W or withdrawal grade in your transcript. Okay. Labor Day holiday is September 5. Last day to drop with W grade is October 6. Okay. Fall break is October 17 and 18. Thanksgiving holiday is November 23 to 25. Last day of class is December 5. Reading day is December 6. And the final exam, December 7 to 12. That's the week of final exam. Okay. Keep your written test. It is your responsibility to keep all your graded midterms. It is very important to have them in case there is any problem with your grade. And also, the keeping the midterm problems or midterm test, your midterm test is very good idea, because you can use them to practice for the final exam, right? Because you can see what type of question I asked, or you will see in the final exam too. All right. So you can check all your score at Georgia View e-learning course website and in Connect Math. So for the online homework and quizzes, you can see your grade in the Connect Math, and for the test, you will see grade on the in the Georgia View. Okay. So college policy and academic dishonesty. If so, as I mentioned, if I find you cheating or copying your course or hiring a tutor to do your homework or quiz, then appropriate actions will be taken. Okay. So these are the disciplinary procedures you can see. And the last thing I want to tell you is, please read all those things and then get familiar with what are the outcome if you do anything that is not legal, or I would say not legitimate. Okay. And so if you are in a sport club on the college sports, or if you have any type of any type of problem, please let me know. And also please, if you have any documents that shows that you need special accommodation, please get the paper, sign it to the Student Development Center, and then get back to me so that I can accommodate you appropriately. Okay, I need the documentation to start with that. All right, guys. So if you have any question on the syllabus, please let me know. And that's all. Thank you very much.